Yeah, let all y'all know, niggas never stop smoking on fucking drugs. Yeah, that's all I know from Cali though. Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, I play with this beat though. Hey, and I'm sick and I'm fucking flowing. I'm about to go like I'm motherfucking know I'm throwing. Never give a fuck, always playing around. Nigga, what's up? You know my name now. Never give a fuck how you wanna do it, man. And you know I'm a motherfucking prove it to you, man. Never know why niggas always wanna die. Niggas always wanna fuck. But a nigga like what? And they start shooting and they wanna start fucking busting. AK nigga give me everybody testing. Everybody running, everybody really get to the motherfucking car and they burn out now cause they know the fucking laws about to show up. What? To shut the motherfucking club down every time we come around. We never give a fuck cause you know we right now. And we ride with AK nigga, I'ma play around with this beat, how I go, and I'm sick like these hoes, and I'm really about to flow. I go off the dome, nigga, every day I'm strong, nigga, never give a fuck how you wanna go home. You always talking shit about a nigga like me. I'm a boss, nigga, never ever play around with G's. I'm always got 100 stacks in my fucking pocket, nigga, that's what's up, and you know you ain't stopping me. I'm always going hard, I'm always going for your head. I never give a fuck, nigga, that's what I said. I spray it down now, I shut it down every time I fucking come around. I know now, I'm a black nigga, never give a fuck about that. What the fuck my color have to do a motherfucking thing about that? Nigga, you know that I'm a true nigga, and I never give a fuck, cause I'm blunt smoking, really gon' choke. I'm gonna fucking choke this motherfucking real low till I never stop smoking till I pass out and blow a lot of smoke out this room like oh we get the motherfucking room fogged out every day. We never give a fuck, nigga, we here to play. We smoking weed every motherfucking day, and we don't give a fuck, nigga, that's in our brain. Mary Jane is strange, cause she give us good loving. You know we don't give a fuck, cause we real thuggin'. And now you see us on fucking YouTube, nigga, that's what we do. And you know we going to crazy, insane, nigga, we don't give a fuck how this shit is so amazing, nigga, that's what's up. And you know this shit is cool, we do a real tune, nigga, put 22s on our ride like, ooh, niggas don't give a fuck about a Mustang, but a Mustang will beat your ass any fucking day. Yes, we got a Cadillac Escalade sitting on 24, nigga, that's every day. Never give a fuck how you wanna say what's up, and we know we riding hard, nigga, that's what. We don't give a fuck how you wanna say our name, but you know we never play with that motherfucking game. Yeah, man, I think I'm ill. And I think I'm sick, man, I think I feel getting tipsy, man. In the purple lean, put my motherfucking drink in my dreams. Yes, that's how I be, smirking lean. Man, I see smirk. Are they fucking green? Oh my god, man. I'm going insane, dude. I'm just playing, nigga, that's what I fucking do. You know my motherfucking name and I'm fucking cool. I'm making all the fucking name and I'm dude. Now you know how I be and I go to 1, 2, 3, nigga, that's what I fucking see. Fuck what you say and you fuck with me in my game A1, nigga, that's where I be. Got the A1 hat, nigga, that's 100. I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause I'm always stunning. Got my J's on my rocker where I'm half sagging now. I'm always smoking weed, nigga, and it's all around in this car right now. Let's do it right now. Hit 150, nigga, and that speed right now. We doing it like a motherfucking crazy nigga. Never taught us how, but we in the Mercedes and we in the Cadillac, going to fucking Mustangs, and we do it like that, nigga, because we insane. I'm insane.